Camping van. Tow truck. Quad bike. Electric delivery car. Old-time car. Stone Age car. Racing transporter. Racing car. Tent truck. Moving truck. Finally, I finished my work today. I'm starving. I want to eat a lot. Let's see what's around here. Oh, here is a food truck. Food truck. Hi, what do you have today? Fish look fresh, but I shouldn't eat deep fry. Thank you though. Noodle truck. Hi, noodle please. Oh, this tastes good. Burger truck. Hi, can I get a veggie burger? Delicious! I'm full, but I'm thirsty now. I need a drink. Convenience store. Let me get a box of milk. Nice. Oh, now I need to... Oh, can I borrow your toilet? Sure, go ahead. Thank you. Toilet trailer. Okay, I need to go now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, please click on like button to let us know. Remember to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.